Planning an event? From hype building to info sharing and seamless user experience, here are 5 powerful QR code types you can use for event tickets with QR Code Kit. Want to build hype and community around your event? Use the social media QR to link all your platforms, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and more, in one easy-to-navigate page. Perfect for boosting visibility, sharing teasers, and keeping your audience connected before, during, and after the event. Got a form or info hub? Use the website QR to link directly to a Google form, event page, or any external site where attendees can RSVP, check event info, or sign up for updates. Ideal for pre-event check-ins or on-the-go access to key details. Want to share the full event experience in one place? Use the landing page QR to build a custom mobile page with your event schedule, embedded videos, maps, buttons, and more. No coding needed. Think of it as your digital event guide, always accessible, always up to date. Need to send documents or ticketing info? Use the file QR to let users instantly download PDFs or other files, like event brochures, ticket copies, or instructions, right to their devices. Have an event app or platform? Use the App Store QR to direct attendees to download your app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Perfect for events with dedicated platforms, interactive features, or loyalty programs. From social links and schedules to downloads and app installs, QR Code Kit helps you turn ordinary tickets into powerful tools for communication and engagement.